Good morning, students. Myself, Durai SK, Assistant Professor, Department of Computer Science from PPG College of Arts and Science, Coimbatore. Okay, today we are going to discuss an important topic in Java programming. It is nothing but already you know that OOPS concept, right? OOPS in 5 minutes. Okay, OOPS stands for Object Oriented Programming System. Okay, let's dive into this session. Yeah, Introduction to Object Oriented Programming. Okay, Java is completely based on OOPS concepts. These concepts help programmers develop secure, reusable, and real world applications, etc. etc. Okay, now let us understand this is a simple manner, right? In real life, everything can be considered as an object. For example, student, mobile phone, car, employee, chair, laptop, pen, pencil, etc. etc. Right? Every object contains a data and or properties, actions or behaviors. Right? In Java, variables represent a data, methods represent behaviors. Okay, now let us see the major OOPS concepts one by one. Okay, first concept, a class is an object, right? Oh, definition, a class is a blueprint or a template. Already we know that, right? An object is an instant created from the class. Okay, second one is a object. Okay, object instant of a class. So, okay, for example, the blueprint of a building is called a class. The actual building constructed using the blueprint is called an object. That's all, right? So, see the example: class car. Car is a class. String color, void start. Color is a variable. So already we know that variable represent the data. Methods represent the behavior. Okay, void start. Start with a method, right? So this is a class, this one is a object, that's all, right? Cars, color, how to run the car, etc, etc, right? Okay, in Java we first create a class and then create objects from it, right? Yes, definitely true. So okay, it comes to the object. Car is a class, my car is a object name equal to new car. It's a constructor, defaultly automatically called the constructor, right? Already we know that constructor, what is the constructor and what is the benefit of the constructors, right? So my car dot color. Okay, my car is a object dot color. Okay, we every separate colors or methods and variables we have to call through the objects. Okay, without object we cannot run the program. Is it possible through the help of public static void means string arguments? So we declare static method, right? Static keyword. That particular static keyword easily run the program without object. Okay, right? So I hope all of you understood, right? Okay, next concept, encapsulation. Okay, encapsulation is nothing but wrapping data and methods inside of a class, right? Wrapping a data and methods together into the single unit. Also, both are same, right? Okay. So encapsulation means access modifiers, private variables and public methods uh, protect. These are also example of encapsulations, right? So okay, it mainly used for a data security, right? Encapsulation is used for data security. For example, in real life, in an ATM machine, users cannot directly access a bank data, right? Users cannot directly access bank data. They access it through proper methods like PIN authentication, right? Directly cannot access the bank data. But we have to access through the PIN authentication, right? This one is example for encapsulation for regarding security purposes, right? Similarly, in Java, private variables are protected using encapsulation, right? So see the example encapsulation. So class bank account, class name is a bank account, private double balance. Okay, this is a double balance means variable in double data type and private keyword, right? So it's a private only access that particular class, bank account class only. Okay, otherwise we cannot access another class, right? Because of we declare in private keyword, right? Okay, public void deposit double amount. This one is a public, but this is a method. Okay, so for protecting that particular methods and variables. Okay, this method only access that particular private variable, right? Okay, balance plus or equal to balance plus amount. That's all. So we already know that this particular operator plus or equal to, right? Then coming to the another method, public double get balance or return balance. That's all. So we can easily get the balance, right? Okay. Next one, inheritance. So already those who are know the C++ language in OOPS concept, already we know that inheritance concept, right? So inheritance means acquiring properties and methods from another class, right? Uh, properties, acquiring properties and methods, so behaviors, yes. This inheritance used for mainly code reusability. This is the advantage of inheritance, right? See, example, class animal, void eat. Eat is a method and system.out.println animal eats. Right. Then class dogs extends is a keyword and animal is a class. Okay. We inherit the animal class to the dog class. Okay. That's why we should declare extends keyword. Right. It's a single inheritance. Right. Void bark. So inside of dog class, void bark system.out.println dog box. So we can create an object for this particular dog class. Okay, and access the animal class also through the dog class object. Right. I hope this one is also all of you understood. Right. Okay. Next, coming to the polymorphism. Right. One method perform different ways and different situations, many forms, etc. etc. Right. So, example, a teacher can act as a faculty member in college, parent at a home, friend in the society. Right. So, teacher is a one action, behaviors, or method, a faculty member in a college, parent at a home, friend and a society. A different manner, different situations, it may vary, right? This is a polymorphism. So these are also using inside of Java program. We can easily understand, right? Let us come to the program example. Class shape. Shape is a class. Okay, void draw. Draw is a method, right? Okay, system.out.println drawing shapes. Then class circle extends shape, same void draw system.out.println drawing circle. Right, this polymorphism is called as a method overriding. Okay, so both method name is the same parameters, so that's why it is a method overriding. Method overloading is a same method name but different parameters. Okay, so we can learn after videos, right? Okay, so another example for polymorphism, same person different roles, that's all, right? Okay, then coming to the abstraction. Abstraction means hiding implementation details and showing only essential features, right? For example, when we drive a vehicle, we use a steering, brake, and accelerator only, right? We don't know the internal engine mechanism, right? And also, come to the another example. We can take an example of a phone call, right? We get the only who have to call to you, right? So we don't know how the call is working inside of what the program procedure, we don't know, right? So that is a abstraction, hiding the what? Hiding the implementation and showing the essential feature. That's all. We just attend the call, and speak to that particular person, right? That's all. So okay, coming to the example, abstract class animal. So instead of abstraction, we should declare abstract keyword. It's necessary. Okay, it's necessary. Without this abstract class, we have to use a default keyword, right? So okay, we can see in later, right? Abstract void makes sound. So instead of this method, abstract method, we should not declare anything, right? And create a new class without abstract class, right? Class cow extends animal. Void makes sound. Same method name. System.out.println move. This is sound of cow, right? This is an abstraction, right? Okay, enough, right? Now let us see the advantages of OOPS. First one is a code reusability because of using an inheritance. Better security through the help of what? Encapsulation, right? Then easy maintenance and real world modeling and fast software development, right? So students, today we discussed class and object, encapsulation, inheritance, polymorphism, abstraction, right? So okay, that's all. I hope all of you understood the OOPS concept, right, in 5 minutes. Thank you. Let's see in the next class, right?